Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review of the brand new Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue full coverage concealer. I don't know if you guys can tell from the quality of the video. I am filming this on my brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I really wanted to find out what the quality of the video is. So I hope that you guys don't mind. Let me know what you think so far of the quality. Anyway, if you guys are interested in finding out more of this brand new concealer, then please keep watching. I got my shade in light medium 11 for the Dose of Colors, and in the bottle it looks like it could be my color, but I swatched it and I was like, ooh, I don't know if that's gonna work. Well, one of my friends, Evelyn, Eve Style 82 on Instagram's like, go ahead and try it. She thought hers was pretty dark as well, and it ended up working for her. So we're just gonna go ahead and go right in. It's definitely pretty thick, but like not too thick where it's like the Shape Tape, because I'm not a fan of the Shape Tape. So it feels, so far feels good on my skin. Wow. Oh my goodness. That's a good oh my goodness. I know the camera's right here, but I'm also looking to see how it looks on camera. But I really like it so far. Usually by the end of the day, I will know if I like a concealer or not. A concealer is, I feel like it's totally different than an actual foundation. Like for me, foundations, I need like a week, but concealers, I'll know right away. I have a hair here and I can't get it. I think it looks really good so far. Eve, if you are watching this, you are absolutely right. The color is pretty perfect. It's not like super, super brightening. It looks more natural. So I think if I want more of a brightening effect, I'll just have to go like 1 or 2 shades lighter. But for every day, I think this is perfect. It doesn't feel drying at all. It feels so, so good. I didn't even tell you guys anything about this concealer. Oh my goodness. So there are, how many shades are there? I think there are 30 shades in this line, and it looks like there's 5 shades in each category, which is awesome. Fair, light, medium, medium tan, dark, and deep. It's formulated with sunflower seed oil, rich in omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, ultra moisturizing and soothing. I will definitely agree with that, or I definitely agree with that. It feels very moisturizing and soothing. Like my under eye feels really, really nice, and they also feel like, before I put the concealer on, like just super puffy just from being so tired. So far so good. It also has shea butter, rich in omega-9, and delivers intense hydration and moisturization, and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant aiding in the reduction of UV damage in the skin and captures free oxygen radicals from pollution. It is vegan, cruelty-free, talc-free, and paraben-free, which is awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and do the other eye. I'm gonna be doing this like updates vlog style on today's video, and that's kind of how we're gonna do it today. I can probably add a little bit more, but I'm just gonna wait for a second. I want to go ahead and do this eye. So far there's no creasing, which is awesome. I know I'm gonna love this concealer because I love the foundation so much. It is such a great formula. If you guys have not seen my full review of the foundation, I will link it in the description below. Definitely go check it out. Wow, yeah, I really, really like it so far. So I'm gonna add just a tad bit more right in here. Oh my goodness. Like, first impression, this looks so good. And it does not feel heavy on my skin at all. Some concealers that are super full coverage will just feel so heavy on my under eyes. I am testing out the Juvia's Place, and I really enjoy their products. I enjoy their foundation. I enjoy their shadows, but that concealer, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of the concealer. And it's supposed to be hydrating, but like this is bomb. This is so good. Okay, I think it looks really good. What do you guys think? I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. What is this called? It's the Mini Instant Retouch Setting Powder from Fenty. Let's see if my camera focuses. You guys, this powder I have been obsessed with. I've not been able to stop using it. I should have gotten the full size during the VIB sale, which I will definitely be getting. It's just such a great powder. It doesn't dry my skin out. It's just so good. Okay, let's see how it is when I set it. Ooh, a little bit too much powder. So far, the combo of this looks so good. It's just a little dark underneath. I'm gonna try using just a brush to set this part. I've been using just the brush to set my under eyes. I think that might be a lot better. I think as long as I set it with a brush, I think I'll be okay for everyday use. But I don't think that you can tell on camera. This side is just a tad bit darker because I put too much powder with the sponge, and that's just my fault. And then on this side, I use the brush. But either way, it does not feel heavy on either side. Like, it feels really good. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my face. It is now 9:24 a.m. I will be back in a couple of hours to do my check-in and let you guys know how the concealer is doing. Okay, I totally recorded this while it was on the other side, like this way. We don't want that. Anyway, I am doing my first check-in, and it is 1:03 to be exact, 1:03, and it's looking real good. First of all, it is hot. Okay, when I left the house this morning, it was pretty cool out, and I'm like, okay, perfect. It's super nice out. It's cloudy, the perfect Washington weather. I love it. And then I'm out here walking around in this plaza, like this outside plaza that I love to come to, and it started getting really hot, and I'm walking around, and I'm in a sweater, and I'm wearing leggings, and I'm like, dude, what was I thinking? Okay, it says it's 66, but it's really like not that hot. But in this thick sweater, I am burning up. I came into the car because I'm like, okay, I've got to cool down. So I got really cold, and then I can put my sweater on and then go and do some more window shopping. I'm actually looking for a couple of things, but that's not what this video is about. Being that I am like sweating my butt off, the concealer looks phenomenal. I keep having to remember that I need to look there, so I apologize. It looks really good. Like I said, I am pretty dewy, but it's a good dewy, so I'm enjoying it. Excuse this messy hair. I did get up obviously I got up, but I did go grab some coffee with an extra shot of espresso, and I'm awake, but I'm still kind of like, okay, come on, Stephanie, get it together. So I will be back in a little bit to do some more check-ins, but it's been about 3-ish hours, and it's still looking real good. My mascara hasn't transferred or anything, and I'm using a new mascara. So anyway, I will be back, you guys. Hey guys, all right, it is 4:54, so I'm gonna say it's 5 o'clock. And I'm ready to take off this makeup. I'm tired. I'm like falling asleep on the couch. And this is gonna be my final check-in, by the way. Wow, I'm like super oily right now. So like, it's not too bad. And it feels so nice on my skin, or on my under eyes. I love it. I had on the concealer for about 8 hours. Not too bad. I love this. I think it is so nice. It's hydrating. It doesn't kick up. I was able to build it up. I know that like my bags are starting to show, but I'm super tired. I haven't been sleeping very well, so that's probably why. And yeah. Do I love it? Absolutely. Am I going to continue using it? Absolutely. And what else? Do I recommend it? Yes, I definitely would if you're looking for a new concealer, something new to try out. If you have, you know, what can I compare this to? I don't know. It's definitely nothing like the Shape Tape. It's really good. I can't think of another concealer that I can compare it to. I really enjoy it. but I'm also like a major foundation and concealer junkie. Hashtag sorry, not sorry. Anyway, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this new type of video, and I hope that you found it useful, and I hope the quality wasn't too bad. I guess I will find out when I edit it tonight, and that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video. Mwah.